In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to crop a video in CapCut. Cropping is one of the most essential tools in video editing, and it allows you to focus on the most important parts of your footage while removing any unwanted areas, whether you're creating content for social media, YouTube, or just editing for personal use. Knowing how to crop your video to the perfect size can make all the difference. And the great thing about CapCut is that it provides all the tools you need to get this done quickly and easily. If you don't already have a CapCut account, you can use the link in the description to sign up and get started. Now let's dive right into the tutorial. First, open up CapCut and navigate to the main workspace. This is the central hub where all your editing tools and options are located, so it's where you'll be doing most of your work. Once you're in the main workspace, look for the Import button located at the top of the screen. Click it to begin loading your video into CapCut. Importing your video is the first step because it brings your footage into the software, ready for editing. Next, locate your video file on your device. This could be in your Downloads folder, desktop, or wherever you've saved it. Select the file and allow it to load into CapCut. Keep in mind that the loading time may vary depending on the size of your video file, so if it takes a moment, don't worry, it's completely normal. Once your video is imported, you'll see it appear in the media panel. From here, drag the video down into the timeline at the bottom of the screen. The timeline is where all the editing magic happens. By placing your video here, you can start making adjustments like cropping, cutting, or adding effects. Now that your video is in the timeline, click on the video clip to select it. You'll notice that selecting the clip highlights it, indicating that it's ready for editing. With your clip selected, look over to the editing panel. If you're using CapCut on a desktop, the editing panel is usually located on the right-hand side of the screen. On mobile, you'll typically find it at the bottom of the screen. The location might vary depending on your device, but it will always be easy to spot. In the editing panel, find the crop tool and click on it. This tool is essential for adjusting the visible area of your video. Cropping allows you to focus on the specific part of your footage that you want to highlight while removing the areas you don't need. Once the crop tool is activated, you'll see a rectangular box appear over your video in the preview window. From here, you can manually adjust the crop area by dragging the edges or corners of the rectangular box. This gives you full control over which part of the video is visible. Take your time with this step. Preview the changes and fine-tune the crop area to make sure it looks just right. If you're working on a project for a specific platform, you might prefer to use a preset aspect ratio instead of cropping manually. In the editing panel, you can select from options like 1:1 for square videos, 16:9 for widescreen, or 9:16 for vertical videos. These presets are especially helpful for ensuring your video fits perfectly on social media platforms like Instagram, YouTube, or TikTok. Once you've adjusted the crop area or selected a preset aspect ratio, click the Apply or OK button in the editing panel. This confirms your changes and updates the video to reflect the new cropped area. At this point, your video should now display only the portion you want to keep. To make sure everything looks great, play back your video to preview the cropped result. This step is important because it allows you to catch any mistakes or make further adjustments if needed. If you're not completely satisfied, don't worry. Just use the undo option to revert the changes and recrop the video as necessary. Finally, once you're happy with the cropped result, save your project or export the video. Saving ensures you can come back to your project later, while exporting creates a final version of your video that's ready to share. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe.